Hello again, it's Miss Amy from the Pearl River Library, and I have this week's take-home craft, which is a turkey. Now, I know we did a turkey last week, but this is a turkey puppet, and it's a little different. So Thanksgiving is coming up this week, so why not? All right, in your craft kit, you're gonna find two shapes that kind of look like fans, but they're turkeys, and we're gonna glue the small one on top of the big one. So let's start with that. Okay, so we're gonna put yellow on top of orange. Be fussy. These are the feathers. And now we have this body. It looks like a peanut. Kept looking at it thinking it was Mr. Peanut. Kind of looks like a potato. I'll be eating many of those. So we're gonna glue that on top of our feathers. Now don't glue it all the way to the bottom. Just thought it looks like a brown snowman. Don't glue it all the way to the bottom because that's not gonna touch it and it's just gonna be sticky. So more like that. So you'll see that I didn't glue it at the bottom. So there we have our turkey body and our turkey feathers. Okay, now he needs a face. So let's give him some eyes. There are 2 eyes in your bag. 1, 2. Now googly eyes need a decent amount of glue. So be generous. There are his eyes. He needs a waddle, of course. And the waddle is red. So let's give him that waddle. And his orange beak, which is an upside down triangle. Let's practice our shapes. And that's going to go right over the waddle. How does he look? Pretty handsome. Okay, he needs 2 feet. So let's put those. 1 and 2. They're kind of long, but we needed a little bit so that it would really adhere to the body. Do you see him? Is he the handsomest turkey you've ever seen? You might want to give him a name. Tom the Turkey? I don't know. Let's be creative. And there's a stick for your puppet. You can glue it. I find Scotch tape to work the best because you don't have to wait for it to dry, but use what you have in your home. Scotch tape, masking tape, glue, whatever, and just tape it to the back. Now you have a turkey puppet to greet all of your guests, or to decorate your table, or to just make you smile. So stop by the children's room, get your turkey craft, have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I look forward to seeing you soon at the library.